Fixing offline status on Konica Minolta, Printer 1. Check physical connections. For USB, make sure the cable is securely connected to both the printer and computer. For network Wi-Fi, ensure the printer is connected to the same network as your PC Mac. Restart the printer, router, and computer. 2. Set the printer online, Windows. Go to Control Panel, Devices and Printers. Right-click your Konica Minolta printer. Select See What's Printing. In the new window, click Printer from the menu. Uncheck Use Printer Offline if it's checked. 3. Check printer status, Mac. Go to System Settings. Printers and Scanners. Select your Konica Minolta printer. If it says Offline, click Resume or Reset Printing System, if needed. 4. Ping the printer IP address. On your printer, print a network configuration page to get the IP address. On your PC or Mac, open Command Prompt or Terminal. Type CSS copy edit ping printer IP address. If there's no response, the printer is not reachable on the network. 5. Reinstall the printer driver. Go to Konica Minolta's support website and download the latest driver for your model. Uninstall the old printer from your system. Reinstall it using the correct IP address. 6. Assign a static IP, recommended. If the printer's IP address changes, it can cause offline errors. Set a static IP address on the printer via its control panel or router to avoid future disconnections. 7. Check Print Spooler, Windows, press Windows, +R, type services.msc, press Enter. Scroll to Print Spooler, right-click, restart. 8. Firewall, Antivirus conflicts. Temporarily disable any firewall or antivirus software to see if they are blocking the connection. For more updates, subscribe our channel, Theprinterzone.